McDonald's Mukbang. Got my handy dandy caramel frappe. Best Coke in the world. White ice. Got some fries. Hope they're not hot, but they don't taste gummy, so and they're lacking salt. I should take these back, man. And this is one of my last free meals. So I'm about to go on a diet. Dang, that's disappointing. Remember, in like 2009, 2008, McDonald's had the best fries in the world. I'm glad I was born when I was, because if I was an adult in the time where they had all them wonderful snacks and the fast food was legit, I would be a whale. I'm gonna probably end up giving these fries to Jacob. But my stomach was growling, so let me eat. I hate that it's so convenient. It's like right there. Remember when a McChicken was $1? It's a good one. It's a good one. Sometimes they be being flat or just, I don't know, you could tell the one made with love. That was a good one. I'm gonna have to let Cokes go too. That's trying to think about it. It's gonna be a lot of protein. I'm tired of chicken. Turn into a chicken. I'm one of those. Oh, it's actually the only sandwich ever that actually looks like the picture. I eat fish from it. I wish I need to go in the microwave, but here we are. It's so cute. All this food is lukewarm. This whole snowstorm, I knew it wasn't gonna be nothing. A nice day off. The sun is shining. I think we actually will get one. That just wasn't it. Sometimes I don't be wanting to say light sauce, but the regular amount of sauce is a little too much. And my filet isn't crispy enough. For the start, I'm addicted to sugar. Ba 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 ba. I'm loving it.